is that one. And it doesn't have like glitter or anything. It's just kind of a plain slime. Next, I have pink glittery slime. I made this at a friend's birthday in Humboldt named Brooklyn. Brooklyn, if you're watching this. Yummy. Can you go? My sister's just here. But I have this one. Just wait. Yeah, it's clicky.
Can I play with the pink slime?
You're on YouTube.
Can I play with the pink slime?
No, not right now. It's sometimes hard to get out of the jar. Then I have this one. It's blue clear slime. It ended up getting tough. Like, look how tough that is. It's not even stretchy or anything. It used to be clear, but now it's not.
Nope.
Nope. And I have this. My friend gave me. It's so tough. Like, it's kind of, oh no.
It can fart.
No, not anymore.
No.
And
It
I
sometimes fart.
I have like these putties and that.
Elsie has this.
Okay, I'm not showing you some of them, but I have more downstairs. But I don't know, maybe next time I'll show you.
Whose name of the slime?
That's from a different one. But let's put them all away right now. Quickly. What? No, Nanny, you can play with them later. She loves slime. You can probably tell, maybe. But I put it away, like at this, at a different, like out of way. Get up. I just had dance, so that's in shorts, stuff like that. What? What are you doing? Oh, it just gets put under my bed. I mean, you can play with it.
There's another video.
Yes. Sorry, you haven't seen my face. Okay. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and bye bye. Peace out.